and Cat versus PND and Salchi.
Okay.
Okay.
America!
D4.
I'm a watermelon.
You are playing Dragon Ball Z.
Somebody's vacuuming and it's very loud. We're orange.
Who's vacuuming?
Kitty cats.
Alright.
I got D.
Okay. Oh.
Join blue. Let's go. Champion! Sparta!
Do you guys get loud like this?
I missed. Shit. Shit.
You guys use fans? Lol, remember that? Oh.
Oh, you're gonna like that.
Oh shit.
I got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Wow.
Oh, wow.
That sucked.
Low.
Get the fuck out of here,
Dude,
bro.
you missed.
I got the 100 boost though. Who's the real winner here? Oh, what a pass. What a pass. Oh, I fucked that up big time. Oopsie daisies. You guys are terrible.
I feel like this is gonna be death.
What a save.
What a save. What's the button for that?
Left down. You guys are so bad. Oh, what a pass.
See, that because of my save, dude. I don't know how I did that save, though.
That was pretty incredible. Get that, Cat.
You guys can't even...
Cat, get that.
You're making me laugh.
I'm just
You're
laughing
making
too hard
me
to play.
laugh.
I'm just
There, I
laughing too
got
hard
it.
to play. I got saliva all over my controller right now.
Oh, weird.
It's disgusting.
Ew. What?
You got semen on your controller from laughing? What?
Same.
Totes same,
You
bro.
guys missed the ball.
Oh, I blew up.
Oh shit.
You know what I do? I play Advanced Warfare, get the melee or the high-tech and play and go to the firing range, put it in my balls
Oh,
and
that's
just
it.
fire.
You're gay.
I missed.
Dude, you
Shit. We're fucked. Just kidding. They suck.
Oh, hit it back, hit it back, hit it back.
I'm trying. I'm trying. I'm trying. I fucking missed again.
You
No.
gonna let them do this?
See,
I
I
realize
just.
how bad that was.
Okay, I'm scared. Ooh, counter goal opportunity.
Yeah. Dude.
Oh, you're gonna like that. You're gonna like that pass. Put that in, Cat. Oh, Jesus Christ. I missed too.
It's going. No, get it in. Fuck. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
I'm gonna lose my
Brandon.
voice 10 times over.
Cat, you know how bad my first games are, bro. They're really bad. Oh shit. Counter goal, you guys are fucked.
Oh, I don't have any boost.
No.
Oh, I'm gonna like that. Fuck.
I'm very good defense.
Oh, what a pass. What a pass. Oh, my
not there.
offense is terrible. Where are you at, bro? Pick up all the
Get the
boost.
fuck out of here, bitch.
Oh yeah.
Am I gonna like that?
No. Oh, we're gonna like that
You'll
pass
like
for
this.
PD&D.
You're like this.
That's a little too high, bro. Even for me.
Dog.
Hey! Oh, you're gonna be happy with that. You're gonna be so happy. What the fuck was that? Oh, Salchi is such a goalie, man. Oh, what a counter strike. Oh, you son of a bitch. Salchi, Jesus Christ, I was so close again.
Fuck! Uh-oh, that's not good. You guys can play defense or you can't play offense.
That's okay, we can't play defense or offense, so there's that.
You can play them all.
Oh, you right over me. I like that.
OMG.
Oh, I like this pass.
You're gonna love this pass. Oh my god, please make that. Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh yeah, you're gonna like this one. I'm gonna do it myself, fuck you.
Oh, get it! Oh, clutch!
Fly like an eagle, bro!
What's clutch? I don't know what clutch means.
That means you have to suck my dick. Clutch is...
Look at the chat, look at the chat! Oh!
Clutch,
You guys sook! Y'all sook do!
What a save.
Oh, that's a great pass.
We have to get rematch.
Oh fuck. Oops. Nope, we won't accept a rematch. You get one chance, that's it.
You only have one chance of playing greatness. Oh fuck!
Yeah. Okay, we'll give you a rematch so we can beat you by just a little bit more.
Rematch!
I got a trophy.
We are
Hit ready.
too good.